This experiment is based on the electrolysis of water. It works off the same idea as a Hoffman voltometer, except it's much cheaper and will be used with stuff that you should have in your lab already. As you know, electrolysis of water involves splitting water into its two basic elements, which is hydrogen and oxygen. So in this experiment, we will be giving off hydrogen bubbles and oxygen bubbles. So in this experiment, we have a power pack set to 9 volts. You can also use a typical square battery that also has 9 volts. Whichever is easiest for you to use, you should go with. The 9 volt is then connected up to a Pasteur pipette, which has 2 sewing needles pierced through them. It is important that the needles do not actually touch off each other, otherwise the conduction will go straight through. The pipette then is filled with salt water. The salt is added to allow conduction through the water. You could also use acidified water if that is more readily available for you. When the circuit is closed, then we will see bubbles being produced, which we can then capture in a small plate of soapy water, as shown. So as you can see from the experiment now, small little bubbles are being produced within the Pasteur pipette and bubbles are coming out the other end into the soap water. Initially, you'll have to wait until all the air is pushed out first before you actually get oxygen or hydrogen.